Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In today's video we are starting HRSD, yes, HR Service Delivery process. So let's start with the overview of the process. So I am using this documentation directly so that you can understand much of it, okay? So first of all, what is HR Service Delivery? In your life you must have heard about HR, right? Human resources. So managing the human resources more effectively is the key point for any organization in order to succeed, right? Because the enterprise productivity is directly proportional to the values which provided by the employees. Because in today's time the employee does not need a complex things. The employee want the things to be very shorted in order to give their 100%. So the organizations are using solutions which provide the employee a clarity which can deliver the amazing experience to the employee so that the employee focus on the work which he has to do. He should not be a part of the complex formalities, okay? So for that reason ServiceNow has come up with this solution of HR service delivery which makes the life of an employee an easy go, okay, and it will benefit the organization as well. You can see in this diagram there are n number of things which an employee like has to go, right? As soon as he think to get hired, there are free hiring formalities, there are onboarding, then travel, then IT, payroll, leave. All these things are related to the employee satisfaction. All these things are related to the HR services. Okay, so to make all these things up to a standard, to eliminate the complexity and to enhance the agility, enhance the diligence, we need this application of HR service management. So they have enumerated few of the features here. The very first one is make it easy for employee to get HR services. Okay, so accessing the services can be very simple. So that's what this application provides some kind of interface which is very easy to access and very easy to utilize and use. Then this application provides a very easy and cost effective solution so that it will increase the efficiency but bringing down the cost, so the organizing of interactions in a very simple and straightforward way. Next thing is use HR service delivery to build great experiences. So it is nothing but just moving from your old things, moving from your legacy things to this latest up to date IT driven technology. So how to do that? Okay. Then there are many other features which tend to increase the employee engagement, employee collaboration, employee, satisfaction. All these factors can be achieved by providing a great to the point HR service delivery processes. Along with that, you see here, this is the list of all the applications and features which we have to go through. You see case management, general management, all these applications are coming into this HR service delivery suite kind of thing, right? So in the coming videos we are going through all these applications because it is these applications only which we need to understand in order to understand the complete setup of HR service delivery process or application which is provided by ServiceNow. So I hope you understand the basic overview of this HRSD. So I will see you in the next video of HRSD where we will discuss about case and knowledge management. Okay, then we will go one by one to all these applications here. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.